Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. You might notice there's something different going on there.
Yeah, we've moved house. This is our new home.
Which, no, we just popped away for a little weekend break. We're down in Coolangatta, which is close to the New South Wales border. A little village called Kira. We're down there for a few nights. We're stopping at a place called Nirvana by the Sea.
Yes, and it is stunning, absolutely beautiful. So it seems to be a mix of rented apartments, owned apartments, but it's absolutely stunning. So we are on the fourth floor and we are room number 04, which apparently is one of the largest apartments.
A two-bed apartment, isn't it?
Two-bed apartment with one of the best views. So thank you so much, Nirvana by the Sea, for giving us this beautiful apartment. This isn't a promotional video. We have paid for our stay, but we wanted to share just how beautiful this place is with everybody.
Yeah, I mean, it's lovely. Like, literally, it's quite funny what I said about how we literally dipped into the New South Wales border to come back to go here. So, like, we would have been, when the clocks were different, we would have been an hour ahead and then come back and we were back to normal time, which is a bit odd. But yeah, it's a nice location. Literally, you can see the beach is just behind us. Just over there is a little village. So you've got a 7-Eleven, you've got bakeries, you've got a pizza place which we tried last night, and that was a thumbs up.
It was
Kira
very
pizza.
good. Yeah,
Very
there's
nice.
a bottler over there for all of your alcoholic needs.
Yeah, newsagent. We're just looking now at the moment.
And we're just about to pop over for breakfast to the bakery.
Yeah, so we thought we'd just bring you guys along. We've chucked some footage up as well. We've done a little walk around this morning. They've got a nice pool. They've got a jacuzzi, or spa as they call it.
Yeah, there's an executive lounge with a library and a pool table.
Blu-rays and stuff like that.
Yeah, but the whole place is just so aesthetically beautiful. The way that it's been styled, the quality of the furniture, just everything is luxury, right?
Yeah, I think it's like 4 floors, so you've got good views. Obviously, just you can't see it in the shot at the moment, but you can see Surfers Paradise.
Yeah, some of these apartments even come with swimming pools on the balcony. So, yeah, if you really wanted to splash out, get yourself one of them.
So, Sunday morning, about 8:30, we're just kind of packing up the room, get our stuff together, ready to check out. The check out is at 10 a.m. But we thought we'd stop by for a bit of retail therapy in Harbour Town, see what bargains they got for us.
Yeah, we've had a great couple of days. So yesterday we were at the beach. It was a little bit windy, so we didn't stay too long, but it was really nice just to hear the sound of the waves and feel that sunshine on your face. Both nights, last night and the night before, we managed to grab the hot tub for ourselves. There was literally no one else in it.
Yeah.
So that was a great evening both nights. We were also able to book the theatre room for last night. So when you check in, if it's available, you can book a slot. So our slot was between 8:30 and 11:30. And it's a really nice room with loads of comfy seating.
Conditioning, recliners.
Yeah, surround sound.
Surround sound's pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, and you can just stream from your phone to the big screen. You can take food and drink in there. So definitely top tip is if you're going to come here, request that maybe in advance if that's possible. But definitely don't forget to book that at check-in. There's lots of room if you've got a big party and lots of seating room. And yeah, it was a really nice end to the trip.
Are we going to tell them how much we paid? You should do that now?
We'll leave that till the end. So I'll let you know how much we paid for a 2-night stay. We did look at upgrading because when we arrived, we found that they had some apartments with pools on the balcony, which look really good.
Nice, yeah.
And yesterday we were also at the pool, which was really nice. Obviously the location has been fantastic. We went to an Italian restaurant last night, had some beautiful food there. We've managed to grab food at little cafes right on the beach and breakfast at the bakery. I even managed to squeeze in a little Thai massage yesterday. My back was hurting, and I would definitely also say that as a tip if you're going to come here. There's a great Thai massage place just on that rank of shops, and book yourself in a little treat. The kids have enjoyed playing pool in the executive room. There's also a library with loads of books, comfy seating, and yeah, just location has been
Yeah,
fantastic.
it was literally probably a 15-minute walk further up or down. Yesterday there's like a Kira surf life saving club. That was pretty busy.
Yeah.
Everything was pretty busy last night. That was busy.
Yeah, it was lively. And every morning we've seen little sessions on the beach. I'm not sure if it's like Pilates or, I don't know, meditation or something, but that's been quite full. People just chilling. And we honestly have had a great time and we definitely come back.
So, shall we let them know how much we paid? Obviously, this is out of our own pocket. We're not sponsored or anything by this. It's just we want to come down there and show you guys. We'll do a little walkthrough video as well as this video. So, you gonna let them know?
Okay, so for 2 nights, it cost us $729. That was for a 2-bedroom apartment with access to all of the facilities.
So, with a beach stroke ocean view, but it was a bit weird seeing the beaches with the ocean anyway, but that's what they classed it as. So, yeah, it was a nice view, wasn't it?
Yeah, and as Brits, we're still so like obsessed with how many things you get included here. So, like the free car parking and yeah, just, renting out that theatre room, even just like sun lounges. We're so used to going to places like the States and having to pay for your sun lounger per day or paying to hire pool towels. And yeah, maybe that's just standard here, but we're still very grateful that all of that stuff is included.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about car parking. Each apartment has its own allocated space, so yeah, there's no need to panic. Plus, there's plenty of road parking.
Yeah, and plenty of convenient lifts and things. There's even, imagine your smallest shopping trolley at Coles or Woolworths. They've actually got Nirvana shopping trolleys. So when you unload your car, you just fill the trolley, take the trolley up into the lift, and probably not supposed to, but our trolley's been in our room for the last couple of days, which is a bit random when you have a luxury apartment with a trolley in the middle of it. But yeah, we're obviously utilizing that now to take all of that stuff back down to the car. So it's been super easy.
Yeah.
And yeah, there's just lots to do here and we can't wait to come back.
Oh.
If you've enjoyed the video, we just wanted to let you know what we've been up to this weekend. We've had some requests for some out and about videos, so hopefully
This is pretty much out and about.
hopefully you've liked it. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. We obviously have emigrated from the UK to Australia and we've been here for 2.5 years and we're just kind of sharing our journey with you and the beautiful things that this country brings. So like, subscribe, and
see you in the next one.